Jackson's widow bird. This young male is new to the mating game. For the last 2 days, he's been busy, constructing a 3 feet wide amphitheatre, complete with a strange central tuft. Now, to draw in a female, he begins his courtship call. But from down in the grass, his efforts go unheard, deadened by dense vegetation. But the widow bird is a specialist at hitting the high notes. He calls non-stop for up to 20 minutes until he catches the ear of a female. But he's not the only bachelor out to impress. There are other males, all trying to attract the female by out-jumping and out-calling him. To entice her over, he must give it everything he's got. He hides from his date because he wants to impress her purely through sound. It's known as a peekaboo display. Only when he believes she's been wooed does he bring out the final chat-up line. A make-or-break gurgle. Has he done enough? Sadly, no. This time, his bid ends in frustration.